Listen up, you lot. Today, we're ditching the processed junk and diving headfirst into the paleo diet. If you're tired of feeling sluggish and disappointed with your diet, then hit that subscribe button and crank up the notifications. This is your wake-up call to reclaim your health and unleash your inner caveman. And don't forget to grab your copy of my comprehensive guide, Awaken Your Primal Body. It's packed with everything you need to conquer the paleo lifestyle. Now let's get cooking. Right, let's talk about the real deal benefits of adopting the paleo lifestyle. First off, digestion. The modern diet is full of processed garbage that your gut struggles to break down. With paleo, you're giving your body the natural whole foods it craves, leading to smoother digestion and less bloating. Now, energy levels. The paleo diet, with its focus on lean proteins, healthy fats, and fiber-rich fruits and vegetables, provides sustained energy throughout the day. You'll be firing on all cylinders, ready to tackle whatever life throws at you. And let's not forget about weight loss. Cutting out processed foods, refined sugars, and unhealthy fats naturally leads to a calorie deficit. The paleo diet keeps you feeling fuller for longer, so you can say goodbye to those cravings. But the benefits go beyond the physical. Many people report improved mental clarity, better sleep, and even a reduction in allergy symptoms. Think succulent grilled steaks, juicy roasted chicken, fresh, vibrant salads bursting with flavor, and naturally sweet treats. Stick with me, and I'll show you how bloody delicious the paleo diet can be. Now let's get one thing straight. The paleo diet isn't some fly-by-night trend, it's a way of life, a return to the foods that nourished our ancestors for millennia. Think about it, for the majority of human history, we thrived on a diet of whole, unprocessed foods. We're talking fruits, vegetables, lean meats, fish, nuts, and seeds. These foods are packed with essential nutrients, vitamins, and minerals that our bodies crave. But somewhere along the line, we got sidetracked. We started filling our plates with processed junk, refined sugars, and artificial ingredients. The paleo diet is about hitting the reset button. It's about ditching the processed crap and rediscovering the power of real food. One of the biggest advantages of the paleo diet is its simplicity. There's no calorie counting, no weighing your food, and no complicated recipes. It's all about choosing whole, unprocessed foods and preparing them in delicious and satisfying ways. Think juicy grilled salmon with roasted vegetables, hearty stews packed with tender meat and vegetables, and refreshing salads. Another key advantage of the paleo diet is its focus on nutrient density. Paleo-approved foods are packed with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that are essential for optimal health. By ditching processed foods and embracing nutrient-rich whole foods, you'll be giving your body the building blocks it needs to thrive. You'll feel the difference in your energy levels, your digestion, and your overall well-being. And let's not forget about the sense of satisfaction that comes with eating real food. When you ditch the processed junk and focus on whole, unprocessed ingredients, you'll find that you're naturally more satisfied with your meals. The paleo diet is not just another fad diet, it's a sustainable lifestyle choice that can transform your health and well-being.
Chapter 3. Foods to avoid on the paleo diet. Ditch the junk. Now, let's talk about the elephant in the room. The foods you need to kick to the curb if you're serious about embracing the paleo lifestyle. Don't worry, it's not all doom and gloom. In fact, once you taste the incredible variety and flavor of paleo-approved foods, you won't even miss the junk. First up, grains. Yes, that means bread, pasta, rice, and all those seemingly innocent breakfast cereals. These grains contain gluten, which can wreak havoc on your gut, leading to inflammation and bloating. Next, on the chopping block, legumes. Beans, lentils, and peanuts might seem like healthy choices, but they contain lectins and phytates, which can interfere with nutrient absorption. And let's not forget about dairy. Milk, cheese, and yogurt can contribute to inflammation and digestive problems. There are plenty of delicious and nutritious paleo-friendly alternatives out there. Now, for the big one-processed sugars. This includes everything from sugary drinks and candy bars to flavored yogurts and granola bars. Sugar is highly addictive and wreaks havoc on your blood sugar levels. And while we're at it, let's ditch those refined vegetable oils like soybean oil, canola oil, and sunflower oil. These oils are highly processed and contribute to inflammation in the body. Stick to healthy fats like olive oil, avocado oil, and coconut oil. Artificial sweeteners are another no-go. They can disrupt your gut bacteria and lead to cravings for even more sugary foods. And finally, let's talk about processed foods. This includes anything that comes in a box or a bag and has a laundry list of ingredients you can't pronounce. These foods are loaded with preservatives, artificial flavors, and unhealthy fats. So, ditch the junk and embrace the delicious world of paleo eating.
Chapter 4. Easy Paleo Recipes. Deliciousness Unleashed. All right, you lot. Now that you know the why behind the paleo diet, let's get down to the good stuff, the food. And trust me, this isn't about bland salads and flavorless chicken breasts. We're talking about delicious, satisfying meals that will make you forget you're even on a diet. First up, let's talk breakfast. Who needs sugary cereals and processed pancakes when you can start your day with a hearty paleo frittata? Simply whisk together a few eggs with a splash of coconut milk, then toss in your favorite chopped veggies like spinach, mushrooms, and bell peppers. Pour the mixture into a cast iron skillet, sprinkle with some diced cooked bacon, and bake until golden brown and set. For lunch, how about a refreshing and satisfying salad with grilled chicken or salmon, a rainbow of colorful vegetables, and a drizzle of homemade vinaigrette? Think crunchy romaine lettuce, juicy cherry tomatoes, crisp cucumbers, creamy avocado, and a sprinkle of toasted nuts for added crunch. For the dressing, simply whisk together olive oil, lemon juice, Dijon mustard, and a pinch of salt and pepper. Now, for the main event, dinner. How about a mouth-watering roasted chicken with roasted root vegetables? Simply rub a whole chicken with olive oil, salt, pepper, and your favorite herbs and spices. Toss some chopped carrots, potatoes, and sweet potatoes with olive oil and seasoning, then arrange them around the chicken in a roasting pan. Roast until the chicken is cooked through and the vegetables are tender and slightly caramelized. And for those days when you're short on time, a quick and easy stir-fry is the perfect solution. Simply stir-fry your favorite vegetables with diced chicken, shrimp, or tofu in a bit of coconut oil.
Chapter 5. Testimonials. Real people, real results.
Now you don't have to take my word for it. Let's hear from some real people who have experienced the life-changing benefits of the paleo diet firsthand. These aren't paid actors. These are everyday people who are fed up with feeling sluggish, bloated, and unhealthy. They decided to take control of their health and embrace the paleo lifestyle, and the results speak for themselves. Meet Sarah, a busy mom of 2 who struggled with her weight and energy levels for years. She tried every fad diet under the sun, but nothing seemed to stick. Then she discovered the paleo diet and everything changed.
I used to be constantly tired, relying on caffeine and sugar to get me through the day, Sarah shares. But since going paleo, my energy levels have skyrocketed. I'm able to keep up with my kids, I'm sleeping better, and I've even lost weight without feeling deprived.
Then there's John, a former athlete who thought his days of peak performance were behind him. After suffering a knee injury, John gained weight and struggled with inflammation and joint pain.
I thought I'd have to live with the pain and discomfort, John admits. But then I tried the paleo diet and it was like a miracle. The inflammation went down, my joints felt better, and I even had more energy than I had in years.
And let's not forget about Mary, a grandmother who was diagnosed with type 2 diabetes. She was told she would need to be on medication for the rest of her life. Determined to find a better way, Mary discovered the paleo diet and started making changes to her diet and lifestyle.
Within a few months, my blood sugar levels stabilized and I was able to reduce my medication, Mary says. I feel like I have my life back.
Chapter 6. Join the Paleo Revolution. Well, there you have it. We've tackled the paleo diet head-on, from its incredible benefits to the delicious food you can enjoy. Remember, this isn't just a diet, it's a lifestyle change that can transform your health and well-being. If you're serious about making a change, hit that subscribe button and download your copy of Awaken Your Primal Body using the link below. Now go on, get in the kitchen and unleash your inner caveman. I'll see you in the next video, ready to conquer new culinary challenges together.